I'm
good.
good.
Nice to meet you.
Same here. And I'm going there illegally because I don't have visa. Guys, from South Africa. Right now I'm in Joburg and this is the hotel where I was staying. So right now I'm just outside my hotel. If you don't know, let me tell you, Johannesburg in South Africa is in top 10 most crime cities in the world, and South Africa in general as a country is in top 5. So one of the most dangerous country in the world, heavy on murder, theft, scams, crime, looting, all kind of crimes that you can imagine. So government is not really helping to solve any issue in the country. It's in top 5. So top 5 nations are like Haiti, Venezuela, Papua New Guinea and South Africa, and in 2026 Afghanistan have also made in the list. So this is Johannesburg and we are going to explore this city, Johannesburg CBD, today. So let's start our day. I stayed here yesterday, so overnight I was staying here actually in room number 18. And why this guy was just looking at me, I don't understand. And I actually left my bags in the hotel. I hope they are safe because I really have laptop in there. So let's explore the streets of Johannesburg CBD and let's walk around. Guys, on these streets your phone can be snatched anytime, like anytime really. So you see, this side is so local, it doesn't look good at all, it's just so normal. But now when I take the turn, it will get so posh. So even Joburg CBD is divided into different group, like poor, middle class and then high class and top luxury. So I have to even take out the cash today, and today is Thursday, so let me show you streets of Joburg CBD on Thursday morning. This is it, guys. Hey, hello.
How are you?
I'm good.
We are good.
Good. Is it okay for me to walk here?
You are free, ma.
Safe, eh?
You are safe.
Okay, thank you. So the security is saying that I'm safe here, so let's go. But guys, this is not the truth. He said I'm safe, but my phone can go anytime, any moment. So it's not really a truth, but of course. So guys, see, mamas are selling stuff here on the roadside. So when, oh, spices. Wow. Hello. So street side market, you see people are selling stuff. And now we have transitioned from that side of local area to the posh area. So we have literally transitioned ourselves towards this side. And yeah, this is very developed, very posh. Let me cross the zone. Like, it changed, the landscape completely changed. This side is so good. Can you imagine, now this is CBD, just 100 meters behind is like the torn apart buildings, like leftover buildings. And this side there are skyscrapers, there are flats, there are residents. The landscape is crazy, and this is the area where they have local buses. And actually यार ये बहुत important area है Indians के लिए, because ये गांधी स्क्वायर है. So if you don't know, Karamchand Gandhi, he lived in South Africa for many years, and this is, they called in Joburg Gandhi Square, like, and one of the most posh area of CBD also. So many shopping and eating places, eateries, all these are eateries. Wow, this side is actually safe, nothing can happen. So South African Indians, they call him Young Gandhi, guys. Let me show you. There is a statue of Indian man in South Africa, Joburg. So yeah, that is it. You see right there. But some South Africans and people from Zimbabwe. Hello, how are you?
Hi. How are you? I'm
good.
Nice to meet you.
Same here.
Where are you from?
India.
I'm from here.
You're from
Johannesburg.
Joburg?
Yes.
Okay, wow. Your city is very, very big and
We
great.
welcome you.
Yeah, thank you.
Enjoy
Yes.
your day.
Yeah, you too.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, and you?
Are you familiar with the place?
I'm no. Yeah, I'm familiar. 2 days here. Why?
Or are you from around?
Yeah, I'm from around. I'm very familiar. Why?
No, I'm asking because when you carry your phone, it's okay here. When you go on some other
Yeah,
side,
yeah,
you must
yeah.
be careful.
Yes,
You see?
yeah.
I thought you're not from South Africa.
I'm not.
You're not from
but
South-
I live here 2 days, so I became familiar.
Oh, where are you from?
India. So I'm very careful.
Oh, okay. Oh, you
And-
travel all this way. Because
Yeah,
I
yes.
can watch you from now on, so no one can.
That's, thank you so much.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Where are you going now?
No, I just came to go here,
Oh,
then
to
I
see
go
Gandhi.
shop right, yeah, to see Gandhi.
Oh,
Then I just go shop right.
then you wanna go to ShopRite?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
But thank you so much. So guys, you can see this is the statue of Gandhi right here. And yeah, that's about it. So you see this area, they have so many good buildings. All these are very good buildings, see. And my goodness, see, look at this one. आप लोग ये देख के आप लोग सोच सकते हैं ऐसी बिल्डिंग्स देख के कि यहाँ पे क्राइम होता है. आप इमेजिन करिए कि ये दुनिया की सबसे ख़तरनाक सिटी है भाई. मतलब आपका फ़ोन, आपकी जान, आपको सीधा गन पॉइंट पे कभी भी रख सकते हैं इस सिटी में, विच इज़ इनसेन. सो anyways, this was the Gandhi Square, and now let's go to ShopRite to buy something and drink some coffee. I'm just having the coffee right now, and I don't know how many times should I say, but this side where I'm sitting right now, you see around me all these buildings, roads and people. This doesn't look like wholesale market of CBD at all. This looks like a proper luxury area inside CBD. Look at these streets, guys. This is Joburg CBD. Can you imagine that Joburg looks like this, even inside the most dangerous area? Hey, I would have never imagined. Crazy. Just walked inside ShopRite, and you see right behind me, this is the coffee section. So I wanted to buy some coffee, and they have only this coffee, which is like kind of original, but it also doesn't look good. Most of the time they have only these instant coffee. So that's it. South Africans, they drink instant coffee so much. This is the most famous one in this country, Recoffee. And yeah, ShopRite is everywhere in CBD, in every corner, and it has better prices than Sandton City. The shopping mall, the supermarket in Sandton City was crazy expensive. And let's try to pay this and see if they can give me cash. So that will be the easiest way to get cash in South Africa. So guys, what a sudden plan. Let me tell you. Oh, 1 second. These are my bags. So, wow. Thank you. Guys, a very sudden plan. And I was walking around in CBD and I got a call that there is someone who can take me to Eswatini. And then I just had to leave. Huh? We can go? Yeah, we are ready. So, wow, see the securities in every corner. Here, this is from bank, Absa Bank. So we are going today to Eswatini, which is 4 hours drive from Johannesburg. And I'm going there illegally because I don't have visa. And we found somebody who agreed to take me for $85 something with visa and transport everything. So that is actually cheaper than waiting for visa in Joburg. These embassy in Joburg, they don't talk to you, they don't reply, they keep you waiting, and you spend so much money waiting. So it's better to go just in any way, and those countries are very small, Lesotho and Eswatini, Swaziland. So now I'm going to Santon and then we'll meet somebody and yeah, blah blah blah. भाई बहुत अचानक से प्लान बना है. मैं अभी भाई गाड़ी में हूँ और ये था भाई जोहान्सबर्ग का सीबीडी. देखे भाई कितने होमलेस लोग हैं यहाँ पे, ऐसे ही रोड पे पड़े रहते हैं. ये अब सीबीडी की पुअर साइड आप देख सकते हो, थोड़ी मतलब नॉट सो लग्जरी वाली. भाई यहाँ पे वीड, ड्रग्स, गन्स सब इजीली मिलता है जोहान्सबर्ग में, सब लीगल है. वीड तो लोग ऐसे ही फूक रहे होते हैं. सो ये जितने भी होमलेस लोग बैठे हैं ये बैठ के वीड फूक रहे होते हैं, इंजेक्शन ले रहे होते हैं. बहुत बुरा हाल है इस सिटी का. लाइक I wonder how all these things are easily available in this city. It's crazy.
Turn right on Stock Street, then keep right onto M2.
Right now I'm in South Africa, and if you have watched my previous video you might know that this was a very random plan, very random trip. I was walking around in CBD Joburg and I got a call from a friend, Indian friend who is living in Joburg, that there is somebody who can take you to Eswatini, so if you want to travel to a new country today you can join them. And I was like, yeah, okay, why not. So right now I'm on a road trip with some Pakistani guys and we are crossing from Joburg to Eswatini in a car. And look at this view. I'm sorry for the wind, there is so much wind right now here. But see, there is a water body. This is man-made of course. And then there are some animals who have came here in the grassland. So you see, let me zoom in. So there are these animals who are here for grass and the water. What a beautiful landscape, guys. The nature beauty in South Africa is one of the best. Like the whole country is so beautiful, but the only problem is like the crime. You have to be careful, but overall it's not too bad. If you are just careful, it's okay. So this is like the KFC, McDonald's, coffee area where we have stopped. And then we have 2 hour more drive towards Swaziland, Kingdom of Eswatini, Kingdom of Swaziland. They have now new name Eswatini, before it was called Swaziland. So I just ordered KFC, and strangely in South Africa there is a vegetarian option in KFC. There is a vegetarian burger. Probably because Indian population is so high in this country that they adopted little bit of the menu. So let's go and let's eat, then we start our journey. So today we are crossing to a new country and my South African visa is multiple entry, so it's not going to be a problem. So guys, we are finally near South Africa and Eswatini border. It's almost like 6:27, but it's already dark. You see, like already sunset have happened. And this side is actually colder than Joburg. And I swear to God, I don't have visa. I don't know how I'm going to cross today, but we should. So today the border is very crowded. You see, all this is the queue. Just look at this, man. All this is a queue for immigration. It's like more than 50 cars right here. Wow, see, more than 50 cars. I'll tell you very soon how I crossed this border. Crazy, but we have to cross. I think this is in last 6 years. This is officially my first real bribe and crazy crossing into any country. Like officially first time I'm paying like bribe in Africa. Crazy. बट यार इसमें मेरी गलती नहीं थी भाई, ये एम्बेसी वालों ने पागल सिस्टम कर रखा है, बहुत तंग करते हैं भाई, रिप्लाई नहीं करते। तो अब यही एक ऑप्शन था, कौन इतनी छोटी सी कंट्रीज़ के लिए बार बार आएगा, इट्स इम्पॉसिबल। वी हैव जस्ट एग्जिटेड साउथ अफ्रीका एंड नाउ वी आर गोइंग टुवर्ड्स एस्वातिनी। सो लेट्स सी if I can enter Eswatini or not. We'll find out. But it's very cold this side, very cold. This is immigration of Eswatini. Let me off my camera before they make any problems. But this is Eswatini border post arrival. Good morning guys, today is first day in Eswatini. We are in small town called Manzini. So most of the business here is by Indian, Pakistani and Bangladeshi. You see all these shops on the street, it's like of Asian people. So welcome to Kingdom of Eswatini. इसका पुराना नाम होता था Kingdom of Swaziland और बहुत छोटा लैंडलॉक देश है साउथ अफ्रीका के बिल्कुल बीच में। अगर आप मैप देखेंगे गूगल मैप तो साउथ अफ्रीका के बीच में दो छोटे देश हैं, एक है एस्वातिनी, एक है लेसोथो। सो नेक्स्ट कंट्री जो हम जाने वाले हैं वो होगी लेसोथो।